Hello, my name is REnan Daniel de Campos. I am currently cursing the WDD 231 course, and I'm asked to explain a little bit the GS, the JavaScript code that I do for my page, my local page for a mini Loja. That is a, a a place where me and my wife, I and my wife will sell things and all these other things. So I decided to do this. So the first thing I want to share you a little bit the screen, no, the first place, the home, the index. So this message here is taken from the local storage. So in the index.js, oh sorry, in the special.js, I add a function, two functions to be exactly. The first one that I want to share is the visit. Is exactly the same as the week five project. So when is the first visit, they will say welcome. Let us know if you have any questions, or if it's more less than 1 day. Great to see you again and see you soon. And also, if you last visit, there's a math difference because when we divided the difference, they just give us the number with a lot of numbers, decimals. So I put the math floor to make them smaller, just one number. To test this, what I do on my tests are changes this into brackets, then add one. Oh, sorry, add one. And after I doing that, I couldn't see here because this is from the the GitHub, but when we try in the local page, um, let open with file server. So when we try, let how can you see like 2 days ago? So it works. I I changed this. I will just unchange because I don't want this change. It's just to show you. The second one is the API for the weather. So I changed the location for be in my city, Cosmopolis, and this URL is from the API that I imported, and also this is my key. I don't know if I can show it, but this is my key, and also the function will try to do the synchronization with the website, and then take the response, and also we'll catch an error if there's an error. And also the API fetch too is about the forecast. So there's two difference we can see in the site, the website right here. There's the current weather, and so that's all from the first one. The second one, the second page, the about us, I put this transition, this animation, and also the about me are buttons that have dialogues. Like you can see in the about us, they open a dialog box. So that's all I put on the about me, about us. Our products are all from a responsive, uh, a responsive, sorry, it's a responsive one. So uh, when we compress this, they change the size. So sorry. So in the purchase, in the products one, I just import the items that I put in a JSON. So I have some difficulty with that, but I resolve like this. I put the URL, and also I do the fetch for this. So I wait. It tries to fetch the item, then it turns into a data because the response I return the JSON um, module that changed the JSON to a data that we can handle in this. Then I ask the default display or all displays. It depends on the button you click, like you can see. So if I click in all products, there's all products. If I click in necklace, just necklaces, and that's all on here. Also, I have the default to be the functions that I ask here, And also right here, there's a layout where I put the layout like this. So after that, I changed it in CSS using grid template, grid areas, and it changes, and it was responsible. The by generally is a formulary when we put the items or information and how we will buy. Then we click buy. We are put into the review HTML that take the information from the local storage, the get right here, and turn it into a display right here. So when we click on purchase, there's something interesting things. The checkbox elements are all from the JSON. So that's what the purchase JS does. It just lay out the checkboxes um, here. This is our from the JS. So it's interesting. And the review, as you saw, um, they just put the inner HTML. So they will put full name and also the other things. But like products is an array, what he does it's goes through all the array items if it is not empty, and then they will put another text content in the li right here. Then I append all this to the div that is the information display. So I don't think I have more to share. This things is from responsive things from the hamburger menu, but this is all that I have right now. So let me know if it is good, and I hope you enjoy my work. Um, that's all I have to share. Thank you so much.